Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimu from How to Geek, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete your story on TikTok. So first, open your TikTok application on your phone. On the bottom right of the screen, tap on the profile icon. If I tap on my profile, you can see that I have uploaded a story. Now, if you would like to delete this story, tap on the three dots on the right side of your screen. As you can see, there is an option to delete your story, so tap on delete. It will ask you for a confirmation, so tap on delete again. That is it, your story is now deleted. Thank you so much for watching and see you in our next video.